Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Best Shoe Collection. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful and a very latest collection of your miracle platform Flora shoes, and also like your Fluevog type shoes as well. So I hope that you like this video as well. So guys, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos on my channel as well, and press the bell icon to see my fashion and my latest uploads earlier and to see more about fashion ideas. So guys, as you can see, there's a very beautiful video for you. So if you don't want to miss any fashion video of my channel, and if you want to see my upload and my latest like Fluevog shoes as well and very earlier, so just press the bell icon to see my fashion and my latest uploads earlier and to see more about fashion ideas. So guys, coming back to our topic, as you can see that it's a very beautiful video and it's a very latest collection as well. So if you want to see these type of fashion arrivals very earlier, and if you want to see more about these type of fashion ideas, so you can just tell me that if you want to see or that type of fashion videos. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you as well. So it's a very beautiful video, and as I've told you, there's a very beautiful, like, it's about your miracle platform heels and also like your shoes as well. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos on my channel as well, and press the bell icon to see my fashion uploads earlier and to see more about fashion ideas. It's a very beautiful and a very attractive video as well. So guys, if you want to see more about these type of fashion ideas, so you can just tell me in the comment box. So as I've told you that it's a very it's a very beautiful about your miracle platforms Fluevog heels, and also about your shoes, very beautiful and attractive fashion ideas for you girls and also for ladies. So just go to the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more new updates. Press the bell icon to see my fashion and my latest uploads earlier and to see more about these type of fashion ideas. So guys, my video almost has been ended, so remember me in your special and beautiful prayers as well. Hope to see you soon inshallah in my next video. So take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah. Allah Hafiz guys. See you soon. Bye bye. And please remember me in your prayers as well. Allah Hafiz. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.